What's up guys, and welcome to another episode of Check It With Ed. So today I need to be cleaning my Tweek intake filter, as you can see, and it is quite very dirty. So I removed it from my air system, and yeah, so I decided it is time to clean it a bit because it is quite dirty. So what we'll be needing is some of your Tweek intake products, cleaning products, and also a big bucket which you need to fill in with water to fit the intake in as well. So then you will be, first off, let's start with the easy steps. So obviously your foam air intake cleaner, which you need to throw into the water, and then afterwards, when the filter has been dried, then you will be spraying on the foam air filter oil afterwards, but that's only after it's been like properly dried. But yeah, let's quickly get to the basic steps. So first off, so this says that you need to throw at least the dilute solvent, 1 part solvent to 10 parts of water, but I will do like so. It's nice and clean. So the next thing that you need to do is to let it dry into the sun. It needs to be drip dried. I would not prefer you, I would say, let it get dry with a hairdryer or put it in the oven or whatever you want to do with it. Don't do that. Just do it the natural way. Put it in the sun. Let it dry it for you. And then when it is dry, then you put the oil on. But we'll get to that now later. So as you can see, I've already put it into, or I've bind it with a shoelace. So don't judge me, it's a funny way of getting it dried. But so what I did was I bound the shoelace around the filter there, and then I put the clamp on as well, so that the lace can't get loose on the filter. So now it is actually getting dried on all spots in the air. So yeah, now you just leave it for at least plus minus 2 hours, and then it should be dry. But don't get overhaste, because you don't want water in your air system, or to go through your air system, because if there's water going through your air system, you're gonna have problems. I can promise you that. You can maybe even pop your engine light on. So just be patient. Okay, so as you can see, I've left the filter for definitely 2 hours, and it is actually now dry. So we can now quickly take it off, and then we can put the oil on and then put it back under the bonnet. All you do now is you just let it dry a little bit in the sun so that the oil can sink in, and then for probably about 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will be good to go. Yeah, then you can just put it back into the car, and then you'll be able to drive again. And here a nice whoosh. So I am taking my car in now for a wash, because my car is actually very dirty. And yeah, I am just somebody that just can't drive with a dirty car once every 2 weeks. So I need to get the car washed today. I'm gonna meet some of my friends there, and then we will be taking a nice sunset cruise to Melkbosstrand, I think. And we're gonna be attending an event called the Infamous Rivals Hookup. Don't ask me why it is called Infamous Rivals, but yeah, it is something to look forward to, and we will see how it will be. I think there's going to be some good cars to see, some lekker cars, but yeah, it's going to be fun, and then we might stop afterwards for a beer. But the first things first is first to get the car cleaned up, because you don't want to go to an event fixing up a very dirty car. But yeah, car's driving lekker, car's clean, well, the intake is clean, so no issues. And yeah, it's quite very hot today in Cape Town, and yeah, no, it is very hot in Cape Town today, so it's 32.5 degrees, and so we're not actually speeding today because of this temperature, and you don't want to put a lot of pressure on the car as well, especially because it's turbo. But further on, drive is just lekker. But yeah, let's just get to the car wash. If you watch closely, we have a learner driver here in front of us. Now sometimes I do believe that they use it because they are learners, because we can see the speed that they are driving, 94 on a highway that you can drive 120. And sometimes I use it as a disguise to say I'm a learner, but I'm actually a race driver as well. So yes, imagine I got that as well, but then I would just look like a twat. As we are washing our cars, here is the big man Steve's car, and then we have Shaw standing there, and then there is my car as well. A good friend that has a good limited supply of alcohol here, and while you're at the cars, why not? Why not? Yeah, yes, look at that! Look at that! Yeah, we can just almost take one, my brother, why not? So, all our cars are cleaned up and now we are ready to go. Steve is leading in his ST and then Shaw here in the middle with his GoPro on the roof. Oh yeah, there we go. And then yeah, we're sitting in the Polo. We are ready to get going. Here at the underground parking of the N1 City here nearby Vincent Active, and yeah, we are stationary and our cars are parked, so we are just chilling here a bit and then we're going to be driving off again. So we were at the event, we were here at the event. We're gonna leave now, and it was not really that bad, not too much cars, but what it was something to do, something where to drive to, and yeah, so we're gonna be driving now to Blue Peter to have just one beer and then probably head back home. So yeah, let's go for it.